Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this ball coloring problem of GFG. So guys, there are many ways of doing this problem, but we are going to solve it in just using mathematical equations. Okay guys, so we are given n balls, all of them initially uncolored. Okay, so suppose we have four balls. For a better test case, we are assuming we have four balls. For a better test case, okay, to understand the approach comfortably, we are taking n is equal to 4. All are initially uncolored, so means all are empty without any color, and we have to color the ball with two color provided to us, red and blue. Okay guys, and here is a condition that there that there can be at most two positions where red ball is touching blue ball, or vice versa. Like how it is blue, it is red, then we can say there is one position. If it is red, it is red, then we can say there are two positions. Here blue and red connecting with each other, here blue and red connecting with each other. Okay, if there are two different ball on to continuous place, then we can say they are both two different type of ball, red and blue, connect to each other. Okay, touch each other. Okay, if there are two adjacent ball of different color, okay, put together. Okay, so we can say we have at most two position for at most two times we have two different color, like RB, BR here, and similarly these two can become here. Okay, like RB or BR, because we cannot have it like this. Like for any n, we cannot have it like this, because this cannot be a permutation. How? Because here one, then two, then three. So it is not a valid permutation. Okay, guys, this is a valid, and there are many more that are valid. Okay, so we have to find the number of ways in which the ball can be colored. Okay guys, so now let's see the problem. Guys, first request to you, please subscribe my channel, because I daily upload the GFG problem of the solution. Sometime I not upload because the problem is so simple that I don't think I need to upload it. Okay, as well I upload it daily. Okay, in July you can, okay, so you can see my channel, so please subscribe. So these are four colors. Okay guys, now how I am telling you, first of all, for taking at most two different place, like what I am telling, suppose this is a continuous segment, suppose this is a continuous segment. Here is blue, here is blue. First of all, I am taken a segment of red. All the balls before it is blue, all the balls after it is blue. Means how can I see my my number of balls, my permutation of balls will look like some blue balls group, then a red ball group, then again a blue ball group. This is a complete group of blue ball, complete group of red ball, complete group of blue balls. Sorry, this complete group of blue ball. So I can say I have one position where these two are different color, one position. So we have at most two position. Okay guys, so for two position, what I have to do? B, RB means some blue color ball, then red, then blue, or it can be some red color ball, some blue color ball, some red color ball. For two permutation, for answer is equal to 2. Now for answer is equal to 0, all should be R or all should be B. For answer is equal to 0 means for zero connectivity of red and blue ball together. Now for one connectivity, R and B means some R balls, some red color balls together, then some blue color ball, one connectivity. Some blue color balls come before some R color ball. This is also because we have to find out all the number of ways. So this is a uh, this is a different way. This is a different way. Okay, guys. So for one, it should be like this. Okay, so guys, how we will do it? How we will do it? So first of all, but so now we got that we have to put the ball in segment, any number of ball, like suppose YRB, suppose we have put we have n is equal to 3, then RRB, RBB, okay, these two, or for n is equal to for answer should be 1. For in both of these case, answer is equal to 1, because BBR, this is BBR. So one connectivity is this, one is this, one is this, one is this. Okay, so we can say in all the four cases here, answer will be is equal to 1, means because we have one connectivity of red and blue ball together. Okay guys, so I hope you will understand till. So now what I want to do, like for n is equal to 4, suppose we are starting from here, one red ball, all other three are blue balls, all other three. Now two red ball, oh, left two are blue balls. For answer is equal to 1. This is for answer is equal to 1. R. Okay, what I am basically doing, I know I have to put some blue ball together. I have to put some red ball together. So first of all, I try to put red ball together. Okay, starting from each index, how many red ball I can put together. Okay, this is what I am basically doing. This. So this can be written as RB. Why RB? Because some red ball, then some blue ball. This is also some R ball, some blue ball, same. This is same. This is only R. Okay. So these three will represent RB, means a group of R ball, then a group of blue ball. Number of red and blue ball can be different, but the different character on continuous place is just one. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Why? It is B. It is B. It is B. It is also B. It is also B. It is also B. Okay, guys. I hope you will understand what I want to say. So now, guys, just imagine a pattern here. If you imagine, then it will become very easy. Now, suppose now first ball is blue. Now, suppose if first ball is second one is red. Now segment is starting from second ball. Okay, only three segment can be possible here. Only three segment can be possible here. No, okay, no problem. So here what is B R B is the segment for us. BRB is the segment for us. Okay guys, now suppose these are different cases. Okay, now next case would be here. Two ball are blue, then red. Two ball are blue, then red. This is BRB again. BRB BR. Okay guys, this is R. Now first three ball blue, then red, one segment. Okay, so total how many segment is possible? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 segment. Okay guys, but here we left out some segment. How? Suppose we are taken continuous R, but there are some segment as well. Okay, so if we are taken continuous R, then these 10 segment possible. But now suppose if we have here all the cases are like BR, all the in all four, 1 2 3 4, all four cases. I am not talking about this, I am talking about all of these. Here segments should be look like BR, means some group of blue ball, some group of red ball. RB, some group of red ball, some group of R ball. Then like RB, only R. Then BRB. Okay, BRB. These all are the different segment possible. BRB, BRB, BR, BR, BRB, BR. Okay guys, so these four are the segment possible. But I told you how many segment can be possible. R and B can be possible. So R is here. Uh, okay, so these are the BRB and okay. So for answer is equal to 2. Segment possible is BRB, means total number of different position is equal to 2. R B R, for answer is equal to 1. It is BR, or it is RB. For answer is equal to 0. It's okay, answer can be at most 2. So it can be 0 1 or 2, R or B. So R and B, R is there, B is still left. R is there, BR is there, RB is there, RBR no, BRB is there. So these two cases are left. Okay guys, so for we know there is only single case, means all B is only when all complete segment is a B, because if any ball is R, then there should be R segment as well. Okay guys, so for B I can say my answer will be for this B my answer will be 1. Okay, so I can say R segment plus R continuous segment plus all B segment. One case is left, one RBR. Okay, so now I can say there are R, then some segment of blue ball, then R, means what it is like some segment of tadpole in starting, some segment of tadpole in means at the end, and there are blue balls in between. Okay guys, so in like for n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4. Okay guys, and here you can assume a pattern. If I am starting from here, then we can have total 4 pattern, means n is equal to 4. I am starting from second plate, then I have 3 pattern. Third place I have 2 pattern. Last plate I have only 1 pattern. So number of pattern, the number of pattern is equal to sum of n means sum of first n natural number. N is equal to 4 here, so n into n plus 1, n plus 1 divided by 2, because we have to do it in on, so I have to find out some formula, that is 4 into 5 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Okay, so now here I can say I have only first place book by R, last plate book by R, so the left two places are should be booked by B. So the number of places I have for my B segment is n minus 2. Okay, now I am telling you why. This is B, this is empty, 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 empty spaces here means R, empty, B, B, empty. Now empty, empty, B, empty. So n minus 2. So put n minus 2. Sum of first n minus 2. What is n? N is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So first of the sum of first two natural number are 2 into n plus 1, that is 3, divided by 2, that is 3. That is 3. So I have to add sum of n minus 2 natural number sum as well, because I have remaining n minus 2 places. Here I can see 1, 2 and 3 places left for me. Okay guys, similarly you can make all the permutation like I make here for some big cases of n, like 5, 6. If I am taking this, then it will become completely mess. Okay, maybe you not able to understand. It's become uh, so much huge cases I need to explain, but here I give you idea, like all the B segments should become continuously, some R, then some B segment continuously, then some R. Its length should be more than 1, its uh, greater than is equal to 1. Similarly, its length should be greater than or is equal to 1. Okay guys, so that remaining number of. Okay guys, so I hope you understand. This is our answer, this is our answer. Okay guys, so here you can see I just written n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N minus 2 means sum of first n natural number, sum of first n minus 2 natural number, and plus 1 for special case when all are B. Okay guys, so I am just submitting it. So guys, you can see all the 1398 test cases pass out. I hope you will understand the problem. If not, then just dry run, because this is a simple mathematical problem where you just need to observe the pattern. So if you have any doubt, then just comment out, but I should suggest to dry run it on pen and paper. uh, okay guys, so I hope you like the video, understand the approach. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned. Thank you.